Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your phone supports 5G but is still using 4G or LTE, you may need to change your network settings. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Now use the search bar and search for SIM. Then tap on SIM cards, mobile network, or the similar option that appears. The name may be slightly different depending on your device. Next, select the SIM card that you want to use for mobile data. Now look for an option called Preferred Network Type, Network Mode, or something similar. Tap on it. From the list of available options, select 5G or 5G Preferred. Once selected, your phone will automatically use a 5G network whenever it is available in your area. If you do not see a 5G option, make sure your phone supports 5G and that your mobile carrier provides 5G service. So this is how you can enable 5G on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.